Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this material in Blender. First, I'm going to go into New World, delete the default cube and add a plane. And now switch to shading and create a new material. First, add a bump node. Add a color ramp. And plug it into the normal and the height, and plug the normal into the displacement. To check what you're doing, go into rendered view. Now add a noise texture and plug it into the fact. Plug the color into the metallic and the roughness. To get it to look how you just saw it, I placed the light there and turned the power to 10. And finally, scale the detail up to 32. You can edit this by changing the color ramp to make it look rusted. But thanks for watching this quick tutorial on how to make a rough material in Blender. Don't like or subscribe unless this tutorial genuinely taught you something.